Hey everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to fix missing display settings in the NVIDIA Control Panel. The fix is pretty simple. First, we need to make sure we actually have an NVIDIA graphics card connected. To do this, right-click the Start button, click on Device Manager, and then click on Display Adapters. As you can see, I have an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060. So, all good. The second step is to open GeForce Experience or NVIDIA app. Click on Drivers and download and update to the latest version. You see, I don't have the latest drivers, so click Download and install them. After that, check again if the display settings appeared. Let me check if I have them. Here, as you can see, I do. If that didn't help, then you need to check that your NVIDIA services are enabled. To do this, go to Services, and here we need NVIDIA Display Container LS and NVIDIA Local System Container. These two processes should be running and set to automatic like mine, if yours are, for example, manual or stopped. Right-click, go to Properties, click the Start button, and select Automatic. Here and here and here. That's it. Hope this helped. This was. See you all later.